Hey, what's up guys? We're back with another video. Now you guys have all been asking for some challenges. Me and Ika are gonna do the nugget challenge today. And if you're wondering where she is, she's at home curling her hair, getting ready to eat a bunch of nuggets. I'm like, babe, you don't have to look all that pretty. We're gonna be like covered in like sweet and sour sauce eating nuggets, but she insisted the hair's gotta be in place and everything, so I'm going to get nuggets by myself.
What can I get for you today?
Hi there. Hey, can I get 100 chicken nuggets?
100 chicken nuggets?
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry.
What kind of sauce would you take?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, she was like, what in the hell is going on?
You're like the first person I've ever seen.
I'm the first person who's ever ordered 100 nuggets?
Well, like, I've been working here for a year, and yeah.
Oh, I
Year's not that long, but...
thought that was pretty normal.
Nah.
Hi there. Oh yeah.
And here's the sauce. Thanks.
Thank you. Totally forgot to order drinks. Can't just go home with a bunch of nuggets. Hi, I'm back. I'm the 100 nugget guy. I forgot to get a drink.
Okay.
I need a drink to wash these 100 nuggets down. Can I get a large Coke?
A large Coke, most definitely.
What was I thinking?
I don't know.
What was I thinking?
Have a nice day.
You too. You should have seen the lady was like 100 nuggets.
Just dump all of them. Okay.
Yeah. You just dump them all on a plate.
Yeah, let's put them all on the plate.
Okay, we're gonna need a couple plates.
No, I think we're fine with one. Just put them all on one. I think we're good. Go. Come on, we could do it. Make it like a nugget mountain.
Oh my
A
god.
nugget mountain.
Babe, we're not gonna eat the cake. We need another plate. There's still
No!
There's still
I
another
want a
20.
nugget mountain.
This isn't the nugget stack
Come
competition.
on. It's a nugget mountain. You're taking them away. Stack it up. God. How many of you guys think we'll eat? Like, hit us in the comments right now and let us know how many nuggets you guys think we'll
Oh my
actually
God.
eat. Come on, build the mountain. Stack it.
Okay, we're gonna be good for eating for like 2 days.
Okay.
That's all. I can't believe we got them all on a plate.
Yeah.
Should we pre-open
Let's
these?
pre-open some of these to save time. So it hasn't started yet, so don't.
Don't clock us.
Let me get the timer going.
All right.
Okay, ready?
You ready?
Before we start, does my hair look cute though?
Oh
Okay,
my
wait,
God.
hold on. I'm gonna start it right now.
Okay.
Okay, let's just hold one before I hit start, so like we're ahead of for strategy.
I think we can't touch them until it's
Oh, we can't touch it?
So just
Okay,
Once you hit start-
Mr. I'm by the book here.
Okay, all right.
The chicken nugget rules.
hit me.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, go.
Oh my god.
I know, I'm nervous.
I'm scared. Which do I dip first?
Two? I feel like I'm not eating fast enough. I'm only on one. How do you have two?
We got double fisted, baby.
Okay.
I feel like my jaw's gonna get a workout.
Yeah. Let's try the honey.
It was not bad.
Oh, really? My shoulders are up. I'm like all tense and everything. Right? I'm like,
Okay, I got 4.
I'm second one.
I don't know if dipping is gonna take up room in my stomach, but
Baby, don't talk. Just eat. Just eat. Just stop talking and just eat. Oh, God. Not too much. You're breathing really hard.
6.
Oh, you're not sick?
Mm-hmm.
Where am I? Guys, you know where I am? Why am I not having anxiety?
Eat.
I'm eating! I'm
If I find out another person beat us on YouTube, I'm gonna be upset.
Why?
I don't want to win.
Win what? Oh
Damn.
God, he's counting. I don't even know why he's counting, you guys. I don't even know how many nuggets I've had. Do you have to breathe so hard? Is that a strategy or?
It's because my mouth is full of food. Babe,
I'm like hearing every breath that you take. I'm eating. Oh God. I feel like I'm the weakling in the team. Maybe if we pour some sauce on it, we don't have to tip, and then we don't have to waste a bit of time. What? We don't have to waste time. We just pour the sauce on, and then it's already on for us.
baby, I'm dipping while I'm chewing.
Okay.
There is no time being wasted.
Okay.
No time.
Okay. I'm just thinking of strategies as we go along. First, we get super far. We're already at 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 18, 19, 20, 21 seconds. That's a lot of sauce. Here, I'll help you. Can you guys hear him breathe? It's
Baby,
okay.
you're making fun of me. I'm carrying the team right now.
No, guys, we're how far? How many nuggets did I eat so far? I'm a valuable team member.
I'm at 16.
Are you really counting? I have no
I
idea.
have no idea.
You do have an idea, but you're counting.
It's either 16 or 18.
Okay, let's do fast.
I don't ever teach you to chew with your mouth closed. She's like, this up.
Yeah, it's too fast. I'm not even dipping. It's already here for me. People talking to this challenge, or is it just me? I mean, like, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. The breathing is really getting to me. It is distracting.
No.
The breathing is distracting. Oh my God. I'm sorry. There are foot ones and like circle ones.
Baby.
Okay, wow. I'm just acknowledging what you said. Can I tell you? If you weren't sitting next to me, huffing and puffing, breathing, and wheezing, I would have got a lot further. It's distracting. Oh my God.
I'm trying to eat. There's so much stuff going in right now. And there's just not enough airways. Okay? Baby. I'm powering out.
Oh shit. Where are we? We're at 7 minutes and 34 seconds. Come on! Come on! You want the other YouTube people to beat us?
Baby.
Come on! Come on!
It's hot in here now. I'm working up a sweat.
I'm not sweating at all. We're at 8 minutes.
I'm powering down.
From what? Come on now. We're eating nuggets. Why are you scratching? No, you need to eat. He gave me the $100. Stop! Eat the food! You got me drinking up all that pop. It's putting room in your stomach.
I need a breather.
It's filling the room.
Wait, we're gonna finish hard. We're gonna finish hard, okay. These three are stuck together.
We're at 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Guys, look. You guys see that? Come on! I'm putting a kiss.
I know I'm breathing a lot.
I mean, I feel like I did my job for the team. I did. I pulled my weight. I put my weight in lives. I was encouraging. I was a good team member. We're at 9 minutes and 39 seconds.
I literally doubled you.
We're a team now. It's not about doubling me. Counting it down. 10 seconds left. Eat them. Eat them. You can eat it. Come on. 5 seconds. Eat it. Come on. Oh, we're good at it. 10 minutes. Does this count as? Does this count? Can I finish this? Does that count? Does this count, guys? Like if I finish this, I mean, how am I supposed to be like? What is this? What's less than half?
A quarter.
Like, is the quarter count? I think I should just eat it. I think I'll get a pass if I eat it. I stopped it at 10 seconds. Sorry, 10 minutes. But then there's look, there's that one right there. Are you okay?
I'm good.
You have a heart attack?
I'm alright. I love you.
Are
baby.
you?
Alright.
Are you okay?
Yes, how many do you think we got?
That looks like there's more than 50 on this list.
You think so?
It looks like it. It looks like that there's more than 50. Let's just count it out. I want silence, please.
Alright, you will hear silence from me. I'm just gonna be back here drinking my Coke.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
42, 93,
Stop! No!
49,
Stop! That's 30.
82.
No! No! That's 30. Stop. Stop. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. That's 40. Come on. Let me finish. 41, 42, 43, 44. So how many did we eat?
44, so that means
Yeah.
we ate 56. We got over halfway.
So we ate, so 52. So there's, how many are here again?
I don't remember what you said.
Fuck it. Guys, you know what? I'm done.
You gotta play the
I'm
tape.
freaking done. You guys, we're leaving you. We hope, you guys enjoyed the video.
I'm gonna go take a nap
No.
and enjoy the meat sweats for a little bit.
Hit us down below and let us know what other challenges you want us to do. They were saying the chapstick challenge.
We can do it.
They said that we should do that. You're done. You're done. Maybe tell them to subscribe to our channel.
Why do I always gotta tell them?
Because I feel like I'd rather, because you have no shame.
Because I'm no shame. I'm more of the salesman here.
You have no shame.
Make sure you go below and you hit the little red subscribe button if you haven't. Like and comment, do all that good stuff. And
Yes.
we'll see you guys.
And turn
next
on
time.
your notifications.
Notifications. Yep.
Anyways.
All right, guys.
We're done. I think my hair looks cute.
Vivi, your hair does look cute.
If
No
any-
matter, no, I don't care what anyone says about you. It doesn't matter how many nuggets you ate. You're beautiful. And
I did my part.
You did your
What
part.
are they going to say about my nuggets? I ate my nuggets.
You did really good, baby.
Are we just going to throw these all out?
No,
What are we going to do with them?
we'll save them for later. I don't know.
You can't eat cold nuggets later.
Why not?
Because once you order nuggets and you don't eat them while they're like hot, then you have to throw it out.
It's hard though
You're-
because
Because he hates wasting money.
you know what? Let's just sit on it for an hour or two, and maybe I'll feel like eating something. But right now,
Dimitri,
I
you
don't
guys,
like
I'm not
it.
joking. Dimitri hates wasting money. I'm not joking. Like, he will literally force himself to eat all these nuggets just
Well,
because he
I
doesn't want to
mean,
waste the money.
we only ate half of them.
Honey, they're not good for you.
I know. I just ate like 50 of them.
Let it go in the garbage. It's okay.
Let's just put them in the fridge. Maybe we can microwave them.
You cannot microwave cold nuggets,
If
honey.
they taste bad, then we'll throw them out. But just give them a chance.
They're gonna taste like
Give
cardboard.
the nuggets a chance.
Oh my
Okay.
god. Okay, fine.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
No, you're not. You're confusing them. I'll do it. I'll do it. I don't want them to think we're cheating. 1, 2. I'm a faster counter than you are. I'll do it again. I'm a fast. You're interrupting. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Ooh. I think one fell right there. Should we start all over again? Oh, we're gonna start all over again.
Oh my god.
I don't know. I don't want to cheat.